Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about ParaMountZ. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this comes from Moshbarry. It's already out. I actually waited a couple of days to do this review because I wanted to buy the actual live version just to make sure that everything was working. So this is a new traffic impulse app, drives free buyer traffic on autopilot, no website, email list, or product needed. And basically you're going to get free buyer traffic from 300 premium sources, and I've already got a little inkling what those 300 sources may be, but let's go ahead and we'll find out. So we're going to dive straight in here. I'm going to show you around the members area. I'm going to let you know some of the OTOs on this product so you get a full picture of exactly what you're buying if you decide to purchase. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to my channel before, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're really serious about building a long-term business online using affiliate marketing, don't forget to check out our free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So the future of traffic is here, guys, so let's go ahead and have a look at what this actually is. I'm actually purchased this. You can see this is the registration page here. I'll go ahead and register. Then what I'll do is I'll pause the video for a few hours, and then I'll come back and I'll give you my full review. Just a bit of irritation on here. They've actually spelled support wrong on here, so somebody needs to do a little bit of proofreading before they start releasing these products, but that's kind of by the by. So let's go ahead and register, and I'll see you on the inside. Okay guys, so I'm inside the dashboard for ParaMountZ, and I'm afraid I've seen this all before. I had actually reviewed this product multiple times, one very recently called Bridger, and every single Billy Dow product is this product. In fact, I just looked at my old copy of Zest, and Zest is here. If you look at the left hand side of these menus, social blast, backlink automation, social posting, all of the same functionality is in this. You have the social share piece here, you have a page builder here. In fact, I'll show you the two page builders. If I create new on the page builder and show you the page builder for ParaMountZ and go over to the page builder, it says design pages there, but basically they use the same interface and everything in here is the same. Even the training, when I looked at the training, the guy that does the training seems to be the same guy on both of these. So basically they're just copying and pasting. I don't know if they've got a white label version of Zest, but they're basically just taking Zest and reselling it as ParaMountZ. Now the same issues occur when you go through these types of products. They're promising you multiple different ways to make money, and the reality is all of them are very, very low quality. So let's just go through the dashboard on ParaMountZ. You get a dashboard here. The very first thing, and again this is a repeat of multiple other products I've seen, is this page where it shows you you can go and get the various deals from the various networks. Issue with this is, guys, that you can see the deals from the various networks here, but to actually go ahead and if you want to go and promote these, you want to know what they're all about, right? You want to know if they're being sold. You want to know what kind of reviews they're getting. You want to have a bit of quality control about what you're doing here. So you need to go over to the networks anyway to take a look. Looking at a product sales page, as you know by this product itself, is no way to see the quality of a product and decide whether you're going to go ahead and promote it. So grab deals on here just means going ahead and getting affiliate links, and you need to go across and have a better look at this if you're serious about being an affiliate. Next thing is you can go ahead and import your account. You need to log this in with your Facebook account to make some of the other functionality works. So you'll need to go ahead and do that if you want to use it. Again, the search for deals thing I just discussed. Then you go into the page builder. Now, I'm not going to show you how to build one of these pages, but basically you pick one of these, and if you go ahead and create new, you can go ahead and adjust these pages. It's the same kind of page builder you've seen multiple times before. We're just showing you very quickly the design of one of these. It's a very, very simple page builder, and if you've got no other way of doing this, and I always recommend something like Elementor. It's absolutely free for beginners, and it's got a much better options for building pages than these have, because these types of things are very clunky. The pages don't look particularly good, even though they are a very, very simple page builder. There is also obviously a place that you can connect your autoresponder to this, and the other thing with the autoresponders, as I've said in previous reviews, is when you use something like GetResponse or Aweber, they have their own page builder functionality built in. So again, you don't need to buy things like this to be an affiliate marketing. So that's kind of the page builder side of it. The social share I'm going to come back to. Then you have a Facebook poster here, and it allows you to build different types of Facebook posts. Now, I've said in the past, I'm not really that excited by this type of thing, but it does allow you to do some things remotely from Facebook. Sometimes Facebook can be a bit of a pain to build a post to, and this allows you to do it remotely. So you have different types of posts: multimedia posts, CTA posts, carousel and video posts, and basically you click on one of these and you can build your actual post inside here and just create it, and you can schedule it. Obviously I can't create that there because it's not working for some reason. I may need to connect my Facebook account, which I'm not willing to do with these guys, I'm afraid. Let me go ahead and create this new. Yeah, I need to log in with Facebook. But I've done that on previous accounts, and basically it just allows you to do different types of posts. It's pretty simple. Facebook comment bar, I don't think this is a very good idea at all. If you're serious about connecting with people on Facebook, this is a way that you can automate your comments on Facebook. You can create a comment template, so you can say hello, how you doing, that kind of thing on your comment template, and then you can automatically reply to people who comment on your content that goes to Facebook. Now, if you're in a position where you need to do that, you must have a massive Facebook account, and that's the only way I can see that it would ever be useful to auto comment on a comment on Facebook. It's all about growing relationships, guys, not using some bot to comment. Subscriber manager, if anybody subscribes to you, they'll end up in this list here. The email subscriber piece, you're going to be very careful when you're asking people to subscribe or put in any data in software like this. It's not your software, it's their app, and you are giving other people's data over to them, and you've got no way of knowing if this is a secure app, and you need to be careful when you're following things like GDPR and on all of the CAN privacy laws in the US about storing data. So I would keep away from this. Email marketing, again, they've just got a way that you can connect this up as an autoresponder. Go and use Aweber. You can use Aweber completely for free for 500 subscribers. And by the time you got 500 subscribers, you should be making money. You can afford a monthly account. Those types of services like Aweber are much more reliable than these, and most of these are just going to end up in spam. You will need to pay for these anyway, because if you have an email API setting here, they allow you to connect your SMTP or your various APIs through these services. This SMTP basically connects to your own email system like Gmail to people, and you're not going to be able to mass email people using Gmail. So if you use something like SendGrid, if I just jump you over to SendGrid, SendGrid has a free plan to start with, but as soon as you start using it to any degree, you're up to $14 a month, and you get up to like $90 a month. But you know, you can get something like Aweber for $15 after you've got to 500 subscribers, and it's a much better service than something like this. SMS Marketing is the same thing, same idea. Again, I don't like the idea of storing people's phone numbers in these systems. If you use the API settings like Twilio, Pliva, if I just go over to Twilio, again, you pay every SMS that you send out. Remember, these aren't free services. So if you're going to be sending mass SMSs out, just remember that's going to rack up price very, very quickly. So just do your research before you decide to go down that road. Coming back to the e-commerce, you can build a very, very simple e-commerce store here. Again, all of the different store builders out there, guys, why would you need to rely on a piece of software like this? But you can build your store up using this software and basically create a store, and then you can add goods to it. But it's so basic. You need a lot more than this if you're actually going to be doing this online. You have some traffic analysis here. You can do visitor analytics, website analysis, social network analysis. And this is the website analysis one. Let me do a new analysis. Basically, I can analyze a website using this data. I don't know why you would need this if you're a newbie, but I'm actually going to just go and pick a website and see if it analyzes it. Okay, and I can vouch for you that this website analysis doesn't work. I haven't managed to do one yet. Again, you can look at different types of social network analysis. I'm not sure where you're going to use this. If I look at this domain again, and I do the analysis on this domain, let's see what it does. It's giving me all sorts of errors, look, when I try and do that analysis. There's something around backlinking and ping analysis here as well. Again, Google backlink search, any domains. So again, I'm just going to use a new scan. I'm going to use Amazon. I'm going to search for Amazon. Okay, so that's got 644,000 domains, and I'm downloading that, and I'm supposed to do what with it exactly? Assuming I'm supposed to try and link out with my own sites to these domains, and that's going to make my site rank. I'm assuming that's what the idea is. So a lot of this stuff I'm not seeing as any use to a beginner at all. I just think it's a load of tools thrown into this interface just to make it look like that you should be doing to make money online, and it's far too complicated. No beginner needs to do all of this types of traffic analysis. You just need to understand how to drive traffic to your products and services and then be able to sell. Now, the main point of this whole product is the traffic. Get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. So far, I've not seen anything that's one click on here, but let's have a look at what the traffic is. So when I social share it, these are your 300 traffic apps. So these are all of the different traffic apps that apparently I can share my pages to. So again, I'll put a video to the right hand side of the screen. I'll leave one in the description below. I'll explaining the issue I have with social media sharing. If you haven't got any kind of following on these social media sites, you will not get anybody coming over to this particular product or anything that you're trying to build here, because they won't see it. So these are complete waste of time unless you have a following on these sites. And some of these sites are not even natural sites to share on anyway. They're just randomly thrown in here. That what were you going to share to Amazon or Clubhouse? What link are you going to share to them that is going to drive traffic over to your products and services that you're going to build with this particular product? So guys, this is just exactly the same as any of the Billy Dow products. This is exactly the same interface. These are very, very low cost page builders that have been sold as some kind of new solution, and all of these other tools here are either ones for generating spam or marketing to people in completely the wrong way. The traffic analysis might look good if you want to buy an application for $12 where you need some of these website analysis type tools. Then this could be good for you because you can go ahead and play with this. But so far, guys, I've seen very little of these actually work for me. But if you want to just pay the $12 for this and go and use these tools, it could be fine. But the rest of this stuff, I'm not going to see is going to provide you any value and actually make you money. Now, this is promising you to make all of this money on autopilot. This is social media buyer traffic. Free buyer traffic is only good if you've got an active following on these social media sites that are willing to buy off you. The rest of this stuff, being automated and all this stuff, is just not correct. I'm not going to go through the rest of this sales page because it's just showing you the results of Mosh Barry's earnings through selling products like this, not from using this product at all. He sells this type of product, and that's how he earns so much money from people who don't know any better. So guys, I'm going to give this a 2 out of 10. Again, this is based on my own opinion. I just think this is a complete and utter copy of multiple other products from Billy Dow, and Billy Dow's products aren't giving you any value either. So I'm going to give this a 2 out of 10, guys. Again, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many, many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of this review is you get a little bit more information before you decide to buy any types of products like this online. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to understand how to build an affiliate marketing business online, go ahead and check out the free training. You'll see the link in the description below. Over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.